Wait, you got what now, Shaq?
Yo, for sure got me an outfit for Sunday.
Hey!
I'm ready for Sunday.
It's Lisa, Danielle. Something like that.
Good morning! What's up, y'all? I really didn't start this as soon as I woke up like I'm supposed to, but so today is gonna be so much fun. Remember that photo shoot I told you I was supposed to do like a week ago? Doing it tomorrow. I'm gonna be shooting one of the Carolina Panthers. You'll have to wait and see who it is. I'm about to go do the pull for the clothes for his shoot. I am also gonna pull some clothes from my line as well. Link in description. So yeah, so come follow me around. Alex is gonna be assisting me with this project. So let's get moving. I gotta get my Starbucks though, you know. Alright, I just made it to Uptown. This parking situation is crazy, but I'm headed into Silverfly now. Uptown, there's a ton of people. They're staring at me because nobody's used to seeing vloggers in Charlotte. We are in Uptown Charlotte. Just finished the first pull. We're going to go to Old Mason Jar now. Okay, so we just finished up at Old Mason Jar. This place is so cute. I didn't really film much in there because it's a small store and I was busy working. Good morning. It's the next day. Once I finished the shopping trip yesterday, it was a wrap. It was a wrap. I had so much work to do, so I didn't vlog. So this is gonna be a 2-day vlog. So I'm gonna make this quick. I'm running behind. I am headed to meet Alex. And if you were here yesterday, you know the styling job is for Shaq Thompson of the Carolina Panthers. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. I get to style him for a shoot with Carolina Style magazine. I am headed to North Lake Mall to meet Alex. We're gonna do one more pull at Buckle for shoes because they didn't carry 13.5 at those two stores I went to. I'll see you at the mall. Just finished at Buckle. We got some cute stuff. They were really nice. And I got my Starbucks brought to you by Alex. Oh, we didn't even talk to Alex while we were in there. Anyway, we will. You'll see him later. All right, so we made it to Loft and Cellar and Alex is here. We're about to get all these looks put together and styled. And Michelle is over there. She's makeup artist and she's amazing.
Hi, Michelle in studio.
All right, you need makeup artist, she's bomb. Photographer extraordinaires. Follow on Instagram. I'll tag it and everything.
All of that.
All right, Bree said 2 to 3 looks, so that we were gonna just go ahead.
What's your goal?
3. Okay. I really want to put him in like a casual clean, a dressy like suit situation, and then more of like a casual trendy.
And do you have any backups you want to shoot?
I could make some though, Erin.
Right.
I could make you some. So really quick, styling life hack. You always want to tape the bottom of your shoes when you are, what was it? Oh, when you, I couldn't remember what I was going to say. When you're doing a styling situation and you have to take, I know, right? And you have to take the shoes back if they're just like borrowed and they're not being bought. Painter's tape at the bottom of your shoes. Slay. Goals. Okay, so we have clothes here from Silverfly, which is a little more like a trendier store, and then we have Old Mason Jar, which is like custom suits and tailored ties and all kinds of stuff, and then we also have stuff from Buckle and from my clothing company, Danielle Apparel, link in description. So like Monday is my actual men's clothing line. So we have like the quilted tees, we have some denim jackets, some pea coats, a couple of button-up shirts. Alex and I are trying to mix and match some of the like the hard with the soft. I like to do that a lot. So we're gonna mix and match some of the like the button-ups with maybe like the bomber jackets. Hey, how'd it go? Okay.
Oh, that's dope.
I like it. I'm gonna touch you a little bit.
In this day and age, it's like we're touching people. It's what we do, so it's like really weird.
Wait, you got what now, Shaq?
Yo, for sure got me an outfit for Sunday.
Hey.
I'm ready for Sunday. I'll be ready.
He looks really cute. Alex and I are taking a little break because he's doing an interview. How's it going, Alex? Yeah, it's going really good. Okay, I have to be annoying. How was your styling experience?
It was great.
It was great.
I learned a
Yeah.
lot about fashion, so excited.
He's easy to style though.
Easy.
All right, we're gonna take a couple of selfies and then we're gonna head out of here. Whew, man. So I'm finally home. What a day. Today was a long day, but it was an amazing day. Y'all, Shaq Thompson is the GOAT. He's amazing. He needs to be my new best friend because like, I just feel like it would just be such a turn up with me, him and Alex. Like, what? Nah, but he's really, really cool. He's real down to earth. He's real chill. He loved everything that I picked out for him and the stuff that Alex was picking out. He loved it. We vibe, yo. Like, I love when you can vibe with your clients and it's bomb. So thank you, Carolina Style Magazine, for having Danny Lee apparel. Shouts out to everybody. Erin Hubbs, she was the photographer today. Jamaica Whitten, she's PR. You got Michelle, she's makeup. Like, it was just really, really bomb. It was a good day. So I'm about to get in here, finish up some more stuff, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and click that notification bell so that you know when I upload a new video. And I'ma see y'all in the next one. Deuces.